Hello friends, thank you for coming back at Elaine Marie. Well, we're going to finish up. And we only need, really, 2 brushes. Well, I have a smaller, it's a bristle brush, and a larger one. But I think we're going to just stick with the smaller one. See how it works when you press it down? Okay, and then one of the brush that is more of a pointer. The main thing is with the bristle brush, make sure that it is wet. So we are going to start. We're going to get flowers on the bottom. And what you're going to do, this is already wet, you're going to dab some white, dab some blue. And then you're going to press. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Then you're going to dry off the tip. And then you're going to come in, well, we got a little red. And remember, and then same thing, you're pressing it down. Even if you go over the white or blue, it's absolutely gorgeous. And they make for little tiny flowers. Let's get some yellow. I love yellow. Press. A little white. And that'll make that pop. Oh my goodness. And my favorite is a very, very dark blue. But you mix it with the white and it just looks like a flower. And then it will make it a lighter blue, as you can see through here. Make this your own. You might want more blue, you might want yellow, maybe you want some more red. That's how we're doing the bottom. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I hope you're having fun doing your videos. I'm having fun doing them with you. And if you notice what I did, on the last video, this was like a light purple. I didn't like it. Guess what, friends? You can go over it. Do what you want and make another flower. Even if the paint is dry, it is okay. I put more of these. And I'm sure, I think that's a new flower, but that's okay. And then my edges that you'll see here. Now, you might want to do this when you're done. Any color you want. White, brown. This, remember, the painting is your painting that you're doing at home. I just thought this green kind of popped out. And then I took that same green and I came in and went over some of the other greens. This is blending, but it's also like nature. Nature has so many different colors in one thing. Nothing is solid. Nothing is solid. So, maybe later, if you're doing your paintings or tomorrow you get an idea, you can add your idea. Always make sure, though, that your brushes are wet, not dripping, just wet, dab them off. So friends, that's how easy that was on the bottom. And I think while I'm talking, I'm going to just do a little more. I got yellow, a little bit in there. And maybe a little bit. Oh yeah. It's gorgeous. And that's all, and we are through. But I did want to show you my very first painting that I did. And this is on a 10 by 14, and I framed it. And this one also, I believe, is a 10 by 14. So we're going to be doing a lot of different paintings, whether it's water or flowers. And of course, you've already seen this one. Yes, that one is what we worked off of. But remember, every painting you do should be different. And I have 2 more. I just want to share that with you. And I have them hung up. I have this flower, laced with books. And up here, it reminds me of my granddaughter. And the hyacinths with a little girl with a hat on the back. Friends, I really, really hope you had fun. I really do. These videos, it's really about giving you the confidence that you need. Remember, you can do anything that you want on your canvas. You have that control. If you want to change flowers, or say do a vase like this and you want more red in it, go right ahead. Go feel free to do that. And I'd love to hear any comments, read any comments rather, if anybody have any comments. So I'm very, very proud of everybody. We'll come right back in here. So, oh, and I just want to say, feel free, see at the end of that, I always put an L, that's my nickname for Lainey. So later I will just do an L right there on a corner. And I'm sure your painting is beautiful. It's yours. You've made it yours. If you wake up tomorrow and go, you know what? I'm going to add some more flowers. Or maybe a little bit more grass. Or I want different colored flowers. You could do it. Each time you do it, it's always going to be different. And it should be. It should be. I could do 3 more of these and they'll all be different. Friends, it was really, really great having fun. Please, in the future, follow my videos, and this is just great, and you are my little artist. Oh, well, thank you, friends. I had a great time, and I hope you did too. Thank you so much. Keep safe, and I'll hopefully hear from you again. Bye-bye now, friends. Bye-bye.